The best foldable electric bikes are a great way to get outdoors, even when you're tight on space. If you don't have a lot of room to store a full-size bike or need to tuck it away once you reach the office, these portable bikes collapse into a neat package. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding electric bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Ride 1 Up Portola stands as one of the best budget-friendly foldable electric bikes on the market. Weighing in at 59 pounds, it delivers a solid 750-watt rear hub motor powered by a 48-volt battery, offering either a 10.4 amp-hour or 13.4 amp-hour option, with the larger battery available for an additional $100. Its compact folding design makes it highly portable, measuring just 36 inches in length and 16 inches in width when collapsed, with handlebars that fold down with ease for added convenience. Despite its lightweight frame, the Portola doesn't compromise on power. The motor performs impressively, delivering enough torque to handle hills and tough terrain without issue. Although the front suspension doesn't add much value to the overall ride and contributes extra weight, it remains a minor flaw in an otherwise well-rounded package. The hinge mechanism, while functional, could benefit from quieter operation. Overall, the Ride 1 Up Portola is a standout in the foldable e-bike category, providing strong performance, reliable range, and portability at an attractive price point, especially for those who want an efficient and practical e-bike without breaking the bank. The Heybike Mars 2.0 is a foldable electric bike designed for those who want to conquer rough terrain without compromising on convenience. Weighing in at 75 pounds, it features a robust 750-watt brushless geared hub motor, offering enough power to handle steep inclines and uneven ground with ease. Its 600 watt-hour, 48-volt battery ensures a solid range for longer rides, making it an excellent choice for adventurers. The fat tired wheels are perfect for tackling gravel paths, dirt roads, and even snow-covered streets. The bike also includes a spacious rear rack, ideal for carrying gear or groceries, adding to its versatility. The Mars 2.0 keeps the practical center folding lever mechanism from its predecessor, ensuring quick and easy storage when not in use. While the motor is powerful, there's a slight delay between pedaling and motor engagement, which takes some getting used to. However, once you adjust, the Mars 2.0 offers a fun, smooth ride on challenging surfaces. With its durable build and solid performance, this electric bike is a top contender for those seeking an affordable yet capable, foldable e-bike for off-road adventures. The Rad Power Bike's RadExpand 5 is a standout in the compact foldable e-bike category, offering a practical yet powerful design. Weighing 62.5 pounds, this e-bike is powered by a 750-watt geared hub motor, delivering a smooth ride on various terrains. With a 672 watt-hour battery, it ensures sufficient range for everyday commuting or casual rides. The RadExpand 5 features an intuitive folding mechanism, making it easy to store in tight spaces, ideal for urban dwellers or those with limited storage. Unlike other models, the RadExpand 5 opts for a no-frills approach, eliminating extra features like a suspension fork, which would only add weight without substantial performance benefits. The non-folding pedals contribute to a more straightforward experience, saving you time when you're eager to get on the road. The absence of some premium features, such as a handlebar-mounted cycling computer, might be seen as a downside for riders seeking advanced metrics. Though the RadExpand 5 is pricier than many foldable e-bikes, it justifies the cost with its exceptional versatility, robust motor, and ease of use. The Lectric XP 3.0 is a top contender in the foldable e-bike market, especially for those prioritizing comfort and practicality. Weighing in at 64 pounds, this model features a 500-watt hub motor and a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, offering ample power for both hilly terrain and swift commutes. The motor delivers smooth acceleration, though it can be tricky to hit the 20 miles per hour assist speed on certain settings. The responsive ride takes some adjustment, but once you're in a groove, it provides a pleasant, steady experience. Comfort-wise, the Lectric XP 3.0 excels on longer rides. However, the seat, while spacious, can feel somewhat intrusive, especially when the bike is folded. The folding mechanism is generally intuitive, but the hinge can be stiff, which may present a challenge in colder conditions. Thankfully, the option to upgrade with accessory kits, such as the Comfort Kit with a larger seat, is available for those seeking a more refined experience. Despite these minor setbacks, the Lectric XP 3.0 remains an excellent choice for city riders, offering a durable, fast, and smooth ride that suits daily commuting or leisurely trips. The Aventon Cinch 2 stands out as one of the best folding electric bikes for commuters and recreational riders alike, offering a perfect balance of durability, performance, and portability. Weighing in at 68 pounds, it's a sturdy, quick-folding bike equipped with a 500-watt, 48-volt rear hub motor that provides smooth and reliable assistance, helping you reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The 48-volt, 14-amp-hour battery ensures ample range for your daily rides, making it an ideal choice for both short commutes and longer excursions. With its 20-inch wheels and 4-inch fat tires, the Cinch Point 2 handles diverse terrains effortlessly, providing stability and control even on rough or uneven surfaces. Its build quality is robust and designed to last through frequent use without sacrificing performance. The bike's compact folding design adds practicality for storage and transport, making it a great option for city dwellers with limited space. While the base model excels in many areas, accessories for additional storage can quickly increase the overall cost. Some riders may also find the suspension fork too soft, though upgrading to a more rigid fork is an option if desired. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.